Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So this brother's saying that he's been watching porn for many, many years. He's 25 now and is about to get married. He says when he sees a beautiful woman on the street, he doesn't really get aroused by her. And that when he sees one online and he can pleasure himself and he's scared that he might not be able to be attracted to the woman he's going to marry. This is true because the way the brain reacts when it's conditioned to things on the screen, the brain reacts to seeing intimacy and seeing sex. It's just the way we're wired. Now, you might see someone on the street and you might not feel necessarily attracted to them. That doesn't mean you won't be attracted to them when you get into intimacy, but there is a huge, and I'm talking about halal, of course, marriage, but there's a huge problem and a huge potential that you will not be intimate properly, because those who watch porn a lot, their brain gets used to 2D. So now when they experience a 3D person, an actual person, what happens is that they can't react to it. Their dopamine levels are very low, or the threshold is too high, and it won't actually work. So yes, there's a huge chance that you won't be pleased or won't be attracted to your wife. And because you're, sorry to put it this way, like an expert at yourself, she's probably not going to be able to satisfy the way you satisfy yourself. And so a lot of people don't understand this. They think, no, it's okay. Intimacy is much better than masturbation. I'm going to be able to, it's going to be even better. No, because you condition your brain to react and to climax in a certain way based on certain stimuli. But it might not react the same way when you're with a person. Even if she's a very beautiful woman, attractive woman, it won't matter. So what's the solution? To stick to the program, my tazkiyah, to stop pornography, to rewire your brain through our processes that we work on, and stay. Abstinence is huge. It's huge, right? Your brain starts getting, rewired and readjusted. And inshallah, you'll be able to beat that. But you have to quit. The more you're going to keep feeding it, the more there's a chance that you will not be sexually pleased with her, and you won't be able to sexually please her, which is going to most likely result in disastrous outcomes of the marriage. May Allah protect. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum.